Class 7th, Subject English, Chapter 1.3 Little Girls Wiser Than Old People, English Workshop. Question 1. Read aloud with proper intonation. Don't go. I am afraid. Never mind. Look out. Shame on you. Spot the names of body parts from the story. Add three other names on your own. Answer body parts in story: head, ankles, foot, nose, eyes, neck, feet. More body parts: waist, shoulders, waist, ears. Question 3. List the characters in the story and write their approximate ages. Characters: approximate ages: Malasha 5 to 6 years, Akulka 7 to 8 years, Akulka's mother 30 to 35 years, Malasha's mother 40 years, Akulka's grandmother 60 years. Question 4. Write the stages in which the fight began and got worse. You may show as many stages as you like. Then write how and when the people stopped fighting. The fight. Akulka's mother hit Malasha. Malasha's mother ran out of her house and scolded Akulka's mother. The two women began to quarrel. The men also joined them and started quarreling. One word led to another and the quarrel became worse. How the fight came to an end. Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle and began to scratch the ground with a pebble to later water off into the street. Malasha came up and began to help her to wide the rill. Both the girls forgot their quarrel and were enjoying their play. Akulka's grandmother saw this and brought this to the notice of the quarreling crowd. Looking at the girls who had forgotten their quarrel long ago, and crowd felt ashamed and scattered away and the quarrel ended. Question 5. Now choose any one of the reason you have listed in the activity on page 10. Write down and enact a quarrel based on that reason and also show how it was resolved. Rohit, what are you hiding behind? Monu, Monu, what? This is my ruler. Rohit, this is mine. I have lost the same ruler. Monu, no, it cannot be. My friend gave this to me. Have a look. Rohit, you cheat. Look, my name is carved with a pin at the back end of the ruler. Monu, no, no, this is mine. Why did you slap me? Teacher, stop this at once. What has happened? Teacher, Monu, it is serious. It is open that you stole Rohit's ruler. Return the ruler to Rohit and don't do such a thing again. Say sorry to Rohit. Monu, sorry sir, sorry Rohit. Question 6. Change the words in the colored boxes to make other meaningful sentences. I'll take off my shoes and you do the same. Answer 1. I'll take off my shirt and you do the same. 2. I'll take off my earrings and you do the same. This is a time for rejoicing. Answer 1. This is a time for working. 2. This is a time for playing. Question 7. Read, remember, and write. A. Dress, dressed. Walk, walked. Grabs, grabbed. Laugh, laughed. Start, started. Jump, jumped. Pick, picked. Look, looked. Want, wanted. Pause, paused. Gather, gathered. Scatter, scattered. Be, run, ran. Begin, began. Sing, sang. Meet, met. Take, took. Say, said. Reply, replied. Try, tried. Come, came. See, saw. Get, got. Bring, brought. Fight, fought. Give, gave. Eat, ate.